Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Lincoln Continental. The Continental is synonymous with the flagship of the Lincoln brand. Lincoln Continental delivers comfort and technology in a stylish, full-size package. Packed with technology, computer electronics are applied to nearly every facet of the driving experience. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: xenon headlights, all-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, trip computer, heated driver's seat, compass, airbags, tachometer, head-up display, heated passenger seat, power heated outside mirrors, remote window operation, driver memory seats. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.